Good morning, all of you. In this class, I am going to explain you one example. So here, this is the given problem, given grammar. Here the question is, show that the grammar is LR of 1 but not LA LR of 1. So this is the given problem. So show that the grammar is LR of 1 but not LA LR of 1. So here there are two tables are there. One is LR of 1 table, nothing but CLR, construct the parsing table for the CLR, and also we have to construct another parsing table, that is LA LR. So we have to construct two parsing tables. So first we will construct the LR of 1 parsing table, that is CLR. So starts with the augmented grammar. So here the given grammar contains three non-terminal symbols S, A and B. So this is the given grammar. So in LR of 1 means the first step is whether it is LR of 1 or LR of 1, whatever it is, the step 1 is write the augmented grammar. So here the augmented grammar is like this. S dash to S, because S is starting symbol of the grammar. Next one, S to AA. Next one, S to BAC. Next one, S to BC. S to BBA. Next one, A to D. B to D. So this is the augmented grammar. This is the augmented grammar. And the next one, the second step is construct a canonical LR of 1 items. So starts with the first production. So S dash to dot S, comma, the default lookup assembly is $. Next one, dot followed by S, where the S productions are total 4. So write the 4 production, S2 dot AA, and then S2 dot BAC, S2 dot DC, and then S2 dot BBA. Next one. So the first part is over. So dot followed by S, write the S productions. And now we have to write the lookahead symbol. So how to write the lookahead symbol? What is the formula? First of beta A. So in this case, what is beta? Epsilon. A means $. So first of dollar is $. So all these 4 productions, the lookahead symbol is set $. And the next one is the second production. Dot followed by A. What is A? Again, A is a non-terminal symbol. So you can write A2 dot. The production is D. So you can write A2 dot D. And what is the lookup symbol? First of beta A. Now what is beta A? So first of $A is A. Next one, dot followed by B. B is a terminal symbol. Dot followed by B is a non-terminal symbol. So write B productions. Dot followed by B. Find first of beta A. So here beta is C. So first of C is C. Again dot followed by B, terminal symbol. Dot followed by D, dot followed by D, terminal symbol. So this is I naught. This is I naught. Next one. By using the go to and closure operations, we have to move the dot operator to the right hand side. So first we have to apply the go to operation and then closure side operation. So here S dash to dot S. So the first one is dot followed by S. So write input symbol is S. First apply go to operation. So the result is S dash to S dot comma $. So dot followed by S, only 1 production. So again this is a new set of item I1. Next one, dot followed by A. So dot followed by A, we have only one production. So first apply go to operation. The result is S2 A dot A comma dollar. Now apply closure set operation. Dot followed by A. What is A? A is a terminal symbol. So no need to write any new production. So this is I2. Next one, dot followed by B. So in this case, we have total two productions are there, dot followed by B, and this is also a dot followed by B. Now the input symbol is B, first apply go to operation. After performing the go to operation, the result is like this. B dot AC, comma dollar, B dot BA, comma dollar. That means input symbol is B, so the dot is moving to the right hand side. So B dot AC comma dollar. Next one, this is also input symbol B. So the result is B dot BA comma dollar. So this is the go to operation. Now apply closure set operation. Now dot followed by C. Sorry, dot followed by A. What is A? A is a non-terminal. So write A production. A2 dot D. Followed by first of beta A. What is beta? Here C. First of C is C. Same way second production dot followed by B. What is B? B is a non-terminal symbol. B2 dot B. Followed by first of beta A. What is beta? A. Now dot followed by terminal, dot followed by terminal. So this is new set of items I3. Next one B completed. Next one capital B. Capital B. Now the output is S2 B dot C comma dollar, and the closure set operation is dot followed by terminal symbol. So no need to add any production. So this is I4. Next one B. B is already over. Next one dot followed by D. So these are the two productions. So the result is A2 B dot comma A, B2 B dot comma C. So this is the new set of item I5. Next one. Now till now I0 is completed. Next one I1. I1 is already over. Next one I2. So dot followed by A. So the input symbol is A. So the result is S2 AA dot comma dollar. S2 AA dot comma dollar. So it is new set of item I6. Next one in I3, the first production dot followed by A. So input symbol is A. So the result is S2 BA dot C comma dollar. This is the go to operation. The closure set dot followed by terminal symbol. So this is I7. Next one, dot followed by B. So the result is S2 BB dot A comma dollar. Again, the closure set operation means dot followed by terminal symbol. So no need to add any new productions. I8. Next one, here dot followed by D. So the result is A2 D dot comma C, B2 D dot comma A. So again, this is a new set of item I9. Once you compare with I5, the first part is set A2 D dot, B2 D dot. But what about the second part? So here the lookup symbol is A, whereas this one is C. So here C, this is A. So the first part is same, but the second part is different. So that's why you can give new state number, that is I9. Next one here, the input symbol is C. So the result is S2 BC dot comma dollar. So this is I10. So I4 completed, I5 is already completed, I6 completed, I7. Now the input symbol is C, the result is S2 BAC dot comma dollar. So this is a new set of state I11. Same way input symbol is A, the result is S2 BB A dot comma dollar. So this is I12. Next I9 completed, I10 completed, I11 completed and I12 completed. So total we have 30 states, I0 to I12. See, the question is, it is a LR of 1 but not LALR of 1. So both the passing table, the step 1, step 2 is same. So up to this part is same for these two passing tables. Now the next step is I want to construct the I want to construct CLR passing table, that is LR of 1. After that I want to construct the LALR of 1 passing table. So first construct the CLR passing table. So all of you know that, so the passing table contains total 3 parameters, 3 columns. The first column is state. So here, so in this problem we have total 13 states, 0 to 12, that is the first column. And the second column is action part. The action part means it contains terminal symbols in the given grammar. So here the terminal symbols are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D followed by dollar. Total 5 terminal symbols. And the third parameter, third column is go to operation. In the go to operation it takes only non-terminals in the given grammar. So here the non-terminals are S, A, B, total 3. Now draw the diagram. So this is CLR table. So the first one is state, and the second one is action, and the third one is go to. So action means A, B, C, D, dollar, S, A, D. So here states are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and then 12. So total 12 states. Now this is the table. Now, by using this transition diagram, we can perform shift operation and go to operations. So the first one, I0, capital S, moving to 1. I0, capital S, moving to 1. Capital A, moving to 2. Next one. B, small b, moving to third state. B means perform shift operation. So S moving to third state, S3. Next one, capital B, 4. Next one, small d, shift operation. State is 5. So yes, 5. So I0 completed. Next one, I1. There is no transition. I2, small a, I6. So 2a, S6. Next one, 3, capital A, 7, capital B, 8. 7, 8. 3, 7 and then 8. Next 3, capital D, I9. So shift operation, S9. 3, capital D, S9. Next one, 4, small c, I10. 4, C. So shift operation, 10. Next one, I5, no transition. I6, no transition. I7, small c, 11. 7C. 7C. Yes, 11. Shift operation. Next, 8A, 12. So 8A, 12. Yes, 12. Okay? Next one, reduce operation. Next one is reduce operation. So here, so these are the productions, and these productions are S with some state. Suppose S dash to S dot, ends with I1. What is the lookup symbol dollar? So dot comma S, I1. Next one, S2AA. So S2AA ends with I6. So dot comma dollar I6. Next one, S2BAC dot ends with 11. So dot 11 I11. Next one, S2BC dot ends with I10. Next one, S2BBA dot, that is I12. So $12 I12. Next one, A2D dot. See here, A2D dot ends with I5 and I9. So you can write these two. Suppose the first one is A2D dot, the lookup symbol is A, ends with I5, and the same production A2D dot, the lookup symbol is C, ends with I9. And the last production is B2D dot, the lookup symbol is C, ends with I5. Next one is B2D dot, the lookup symbol is A, ends with I9. Now you can give the numbering system. Suppose it is a newly added production. No need to give any number system for this production. For the remaining, the given grammar. So the first production is, this is the R1, and this is R2, R3, R4, and this is R5, and this is R6. Now the first production. The first production ends with sixth state. So entry is 6 comma dollar, it is R1. So 6 comma dollar, it is R1. Next one, the second production ends with 11th state. So $11 R2. So $11 R2. Next, $10 R3. So $10 R3. $12 R4. Next one, 5A, because A2D dot ends with two different states. One is I5 and another one is I9. These two states, the lookup symbol is different. So suppose the first one ends with I5, at that time the lookup symbol is A. The second time A2D dot ends with I9, at that time the lookup symbol is C. So the first one, 5A, combination is R5, 5A, R5. Same way, 9C also R5, 9C, R5. Same way, R6 also, 5C, R6, and 9A, R6, 9A. And all of you know that the action of $1 is accepted condition. So the action of $1 is accepted. So this is about LR passing table. So here the question is, show that the grammar is LR of 1. How can you say that this is LR of 1? If you observe, see the blanks are errors. If you observe the filled entries, it performs only one operation, whether it is shift operation or reduce operation. There is no conflicts here. So we have two types of conflicts. One is shift reduce and second one is reduce reduce. Suppose any entry having the conflict, then the particular grammar is not a. Suppose this is a CLR. Suppose any entry having more than one operation, any conflict is there, then we say that this is not a LR of 1. But whereas in this case, if you take any entry, filled entry, suppose reduce, shift, reduce. It has only one operation. There is no conflict. So it is a LR of 1 grammar. Now, parallelly, I have to construct the second parsing table, that is LALR. Suppose up to the second part is set. What is LALR? So after constructed the canonical LR of 1 items, we have to compare with one state to another state. So in this process, suppose the step 1 is same, then we have to match those states. Like now, this is the step 2 result. Now the comparison process, we will check one state to another state. Suppose I0, if you observe, suppose if you take I5 and I9, the I5 is A2 D dot, B2 D dot, here also A2 D dot, B2 D dot. That means we have to match 5th state and 9th state. So that becomes, the new state is I59. Now the productions are A2 D dot and B2 D dot. Here the locale symbols are, we have to match AC, same way. This is I59. For the remaining states are same. For the remaining states are as it is. Now construct LALR parsing table. Same way, construct LALR parsing table. So the first one is state, action. So action means A, B, C, D, dollar, and then go to means S, A, B. Okay, this is LALR table. In LALR, in the previously CLR, we have total 30 states. Whereas here in this case, we have merged 2 states. Now it is reduced to 1 state. So now in LALR, we have total 12 states. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here we have to match 5th state and 9th state. So it becomes 59. 6, 7, 8, there is no 9th state. 10, 11, 12. So we have total 12 states. Now we have to perform the operations one by one. So by using this transition diagram, capital S, capital A, 1, 2. So 1, 2. Next one, small b, S3. Small b, shift operation, S3. Next one, capital B, 4. Capital B, 4. Next one, small d, 5. What is 5? So actually in this diagram we have 5th state, but whereas in LALR there is no 5th state. Instead of 5th state we can use 59. So D means moving to 59. That means you can write yes 59, shift operation from the state 59. Next one. Now I0 completed. Next I1 completed. I2 small a S6. So 2a S6. Next one. 3a 7 b 8. A B 7 8. A B 7 8. 7 8. Next one, capital D, small d, moving to ninth state. So there is no ninth state. Instead of ninth state, you can use 59. So 3D. So 3D moving to 59 state. 59 state. Next one, I4 C 10. 4C 10. Next one, fifth completed, sixth one completed, 7C 11. 7C 11. 7C 11. Okay. Next, 8A 12. 8A 12. So yes, 12. Next one, ninth one, no transition. 10th one, no transition. 11th one, no transition. 12th one. Same way 59, there is no transition. Okay. Now we have to perform the reduction operation. So here, these are the productions. The first production ends with I1, I6, I11, I10, I12. Up to there is no change in R4. Only the change in R5. R5 and R6. So what is R5 and what is R6? So R5 means A to D dot and R6 means B to D dot. So in earlier we have merged 5th state and 9th state. 5th state and 9th state. This one. Now the R5. So R5 means A to D dot. Ends with 59. What is the lookout symbol? A or C. Same way R6. B to D dot. Ends with again 59. Ends with 59. Okay. Now first one $6 R1. So $6 R1. Next one $11 R2. $11 R2. $10 R3. $10 R3. Next one $12 R4. $12 R4. Now R5. See, ends with 59th state. So 59A and 59C, it is R5. So 59A R5 and 59C R5. R5, R5. Next R6 ends with same state. Now 59A and 59C replaced with, it is placed with R6. So it is already R5. Now you can write R6. R6. Now the reduction operation also over. The last one is action of 1, double is accepted condition. If you observe this parsing table, the entries 59A and 59C having the conflict reduce. So that's why the given grammar is not a LALR of one parsing table. It is not a LALR of one parsing table. So as per the given grammar is LR of 1, but it is not a LALR of 1 because these entries are, it is a conflicts. The type is reduce conflict, and this is also a reduce conflict. Once any entry having the conflict, then the particular grammar is not a LALR of 1. Okay. Thank you.